I am trying to print a bottle model with some extra little modifications, and this is what I stumbled upon. And I don't think this is printable. Correct me if I'm wrong. So we're all fine here, and here we go. Out of the blue, it just prints this in midair. It's not even touching anything. And I don't think this will work. This potentially has a chance of maybe bridging or whatnot. It has some, at least some points of contact. This has no point of contact. So am I going crazy? Look, nothing, and out of the blue, it adds this little small bit in midair. That's not gonna work, is it? So obviously I'm showing you what's below, and it can't work. I tried other infill types and they are not helping either. I get the same problem. So I'm not sure how do I fix this. This one, for instance, is in the right place problematically, but it's at least it's holding to one potentially here to one thing. This one is just floating in midair. Yeah, how do I fix this? Yeah, that's it. Cheers.